Hello everyone, what is up? So I recently did a live stream on Twitch where I solved the Rubik's Cube 1000 times. At the start I thought it might take me around 6 hours to solve 1000 times, but it took me around 6 hours 52 minutes. The consistency I was getting in my solves was really amazing. I didn't hope to get that much. Like after around 5 to 600 solves, I thought that my fingers will get tired and I will get around 13-14 second solves, but that didn't happen. My solves are pretty consistent, like 10-second solves or even many sub 10s. I even got a sub 7 solve in the higher 700s, and in fact my 999th solve was an 8.7 second solve. I don't know how that happened. And throughout the stream I reached a peak viewership of 18 viewers and a constant viewership of 13 viewers, which is amazing. Like when I'm streaming games, I usually get around 3 to 5 constant viewers. I even gained more than 20 followers on Twitch because of that stream, which is a big thing for me now. The stream was so amazing. There were so many viewers and everyone was chatting around in the chat box. As the stream progressed, more people started to come in, and all of them were just coming in, checking how many solves I have done, going for a while, coming back, and then checking again. It was really fun. The last 10 solves were so intense and amazing. It was so much fun and my fingers were not at all tired at that time. So in the following video, I'll show you all the highlights from the 7-hour stream in a few minutes. Enjoy. So this is the first solve of my day. I haven't solved a single time. It's 5 PM, so I'll start now. First solve. Hundred solve, 10%. Hundred solves done. चलो अभी करने हैं और एक 0 ऐड करना है. My fingers are feeling tired now. Little bit. Not that much, but I can feel it now. 200 solves done. अरे 300 हो गया by the way.
8 seconds.
Four hundred solves. 600 to go. I've removed my Alt keycap because I have a bad habit of pressing Alt D, which deletes all the solves in the session. So that way I know. What's the most viewer you've ever had? 14 viewers right now. ठंडे क्या नहीं भाई, गर्मी हो रहा है लाइट से, मैं कोई एसी लगा के बैठा हूँ मैं. Oh, 600 done. So the next solve is 666, which you might know is the devil's number. So I know just what to do. Okay, done. Back to our lo-fi. Up tens and lower tens. Oh, 700 done. Water. It would take me all day what it takes you 8 seconds. Yeah. It took me 3 days to solve for the first time. 7 years back. Does it tell you how to scramble the cube again? Yeah, there are randomly generated scrambling moves displayed on the screen. There are 43 quintillion combinations on a 3x3. This is 43 with 18 zeros. And my job is to find that one which is the solved one. That's simple. If you draw each combination of the cube on a piece of paper, then keep drawing them and stacking them on top of one another, all the sheets of paper, and then keep doing that. Imagine how high that stack will go. That stack of paper will go out of the earth. It will reach the moon. No, it will go past the moon. It will reach Pluto. It will come back from Pluto back to earth. And this cycle will repeat 73 times. Those many sheets of paper is 43 quintillion. And the cuber's job is to find that one sheet of paper which is the solved one. That is the sheet of paper. It can be anywhere in the stack. Which is that cube? This is the GAN XS. I'm also a guitarist, metal guitarist. And I make originals and metal versions of famous songs. So if you wanna check out, it's in my main channel. I also play Valorant. Nobody saw anything. I'll play my songs. I'm not able to type. Fastest time for solving the cube in this session or your record, 5.7 seconds. How many solves have you done? 738. Those were my songs. Let's go back to our lo-fi. Okay. Top 7. $200 to go. More to go. Last 10. Hype का है, hype बनाते. Let's go. Last 10. Unfortunately, the music playing in this part was copyrighted for some reason and I couldn't clip this part with audio. I swear I was playing from a non-copyright playlist. But anyway, I'll put some music here. Enjoy the last few solves. And this was the one. After doing 998 solves wearing headphones for 7 hours in front of 2 big lights, I managed to get an 8.7 on the second last solve. That's crazy. The hype for the final solve was very real. भर दो चैट को, भर दो पूरा. And there you go. That was my self challenge for doing 1000 Rubik's Cube solves in one go. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you were there on the live stream, you are the best. I hope I'll get more ideas like these in the future. If you like this video, comment down your views, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.